All right, section 5, Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy. So where we ended up from section 4 was we'd played 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3. Excuse me. Now we're going to cover these 2 black notes, keeping the 3rd finger here on the E, and we'll play 2, 4, 3, 4, 2. Okay, in the left hand, we just finished on that F sharp. We played that 3 times. All right, in this position, we're going to use the finger 2 on B, the thumb on the C, and then we're going to go, we'll go like this, 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to have to move so we can walk it down. We've got this 5 steps of sound, but we've got this F sharp in the middle. So we'll go bum, 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 all the way down to the E. So the left hand's going to sound like this. Okay. When we bring the hands together for section 5, here we go. Fingers 2 and 2 will come together. Then the right hand by itself, together. Then the right hand, and then together. And then left hand shifts over and plays 5 steps down.